How to remove background from PDF using Adobe Acrobat. If you get stuck with a PDF that has a background image you just don't want, maybe it's distracting or you need a cleaner look, don't worry. Adobe Acrobat has got you covered. It's super simple to remove background. Let me show you how. First things first, make sure you have opened your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Got it open? Great. You can see my PDF right over here, and I want to remove this image background from this one. Now what you have to do is simply go to all tools right over here. You can see top left corner, it's over here. Tap on it. There you will see an option for edit a PDF. Simply tap on it, and just beside your edit PDF you will see a star sign. That means this is only available for Adobe Acrobat Pro user. So I may not be able to show you the rest process, however I'll be explaining you the rest process. Now what you need to do is simply tap on it, then it will open up a list of options for you. From the options, simply tap on more. In the drop down menu, hover to background. Another little menu pops up. Guess what? We are clicking on next. Yep, remove background. Go ahead and click on it. And tada, your background is gone. Was we did that easy. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Simply tap on save and you are done. And that's it. You have successfully cleared the background in your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Pretty neat. Now you can work with a cleaner, more focused document. Give it a try yourself. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.